प्रभतमेरुपासनो नित्यलीला प्रविष्ट त्वं विष्णुपाद अस्तुतरसनां भक्ति वेदांत भगवान गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अस्तुतरसनां भक्ति वेदांत श्रीनारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की अभय चरण कमलों में अनंतपदी अष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञान करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात समस्त वैष्णववृंद मातृवृंद गुरुकथा सज्जनवृंद हरिकथा कृपालु सभी के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ दंडवत नमस्कार। हम लोग 2-3 दिन जावत श्रीमद् भागवतम दशम स्कंध
For the last 2 days, we are reciting Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, chapter. Krishna took Brajvasis to Brahmalok to have darshan. In that katha, Varun. So they had katha of not Brahmalok, Varun Lok. It was a Dwadasi after Ekadasi. In Ashurik time, Ashurik Kal, Nanda Maharaj had a snan in Yamuna. That's why Varun Dev, servant, Anuchar, they took Nanda Maharaj to Varun Lok. Krishna went to many different loks. So when Krishna went to Varun Lok, all the servants of the Varun Deva, they worshipped, they started to Sevak. Also Varun Dev and the Sevak, they asked for forgiveness from Krishna, and then they worshipped Krishna with the flowers and chandan. And then Krishna brought Nanda Maharaj back to Braj, and then Nanda Maharaj described the Varun Katha. That when the Vrajvasis heard this Katha about Varun Lok, then all the Vrajvasis Lok, they told Krishna, oh, please take us for this darshan of Varun Lok. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Where is his charger? It's not there. My battery is 20% because we didn't have light in our room. And then Krishna with all the Brajvasyas from Akrur Ghat, he took them from via Yamuna to, and he took them Vaikuntha Lok to have darshan.
इस प्रकार परम करुणामय परब्रह्म भगवान श्री कृष्ण गोप आदि के साथ
then Bhagwan Krishna with the gop, he God, my battery is low.
जो स्थान इतने सुंदर शास्त्र में कहा गया,
Do you have a
इतने
charger?
सुंदर वो वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण
Because we
स्थान
didn't have light in our room, so
है। काल
Okay.
संग में मैं भी कहा था,
yesterday I mentioned
ब्रजवासी लोग
the Brajvasis. The Brajvasis,
अत्यंत सहज सरल
they were very simple-hearted.
और अपने को अत्यंत
They
दीनहीन होकर के रखते
because they're very humble and
एक शब्द भी पड़ जाएगा और उसके कहानी में उसकी यूनिक सुधरेगी। भले ही अर्थ नहीं जानता।
ब्रजवासी लोग इतने सहज सरल
the Brajavasis were so humble and simple.
वे लोग संत महात्मा को कितने आदर रखते हैं।
They used to respect Sant Mahatma so much.
यहाँ तक भी ब्रजवासी लोग ऐसे होते हैं, संत महात्मा की भी चरण धुना करते हैं।
The Brajvasis also they would wash the feet of the Sant Mahatmas.
कृष्ण के
Parikar.
परिकर
Where they are really Brajvasis are really Nitya Krishna's Parikar.
कृष्ण में सदा सर्वदा डूबे रहते हैं।
They are Parikar. They are
ऐसे ब्रजजन भी
they are direct. They are Nitya associates of Krishna.
संत महात्मा के चरण
And the Brajvasis they wash they wash the lotus feet of Sant Mahatmas.
साधारण उदाहरण दिया जाए, नंद
If you,
महाराज
like for example Nand Maharaj, if you give a simple example,
हे नंद महाराज, नारद ऋषि एक बार
one day Narad Rishi
पधारे
came to
विश्वभानु महाराज की
Vishwabhanu Maharaj's place,
अथवा दुर्वासा ऋषि
or Durvasa Rishi came to Vishwabhanu Maharaj's. And what did Vishwabhanu Maharaj did? He used to serve the Sant Mahatmas. Who is Ramananda? Who is the superior? Narad Rishi or Vishwabhanu Maharaj? Who is superior? Or Durvasa Rishi also came. Also there Vishwabhanu Maharaj washed his feet. Because Brajvasis are so simple-hearted, so pure and simple, and they think themselves so humble. They're so humble. That's why we should be very careful. We have to be very careful that we don't do any aparadh of Brajvasi.
तो उसी प्रकार यहाँ पर भी कहते जा रहे भगवान कृष्ण भी विचार करने लगे।
Krishna started to think,
मेरे नित्य माता पिता
my mother and father, Nitya mother and
और
father,
मेरे साक्षात स्वरूप शक्ति के प्रकाश
and my Swarup Shakti Prakash, the Brajvasis are my Swarup Shakti. And what is who is Nanda Ji and Baba, Nanda Baba and Jashoda Maya? They are the Vatsalya Bhav. They are the manifestation of Vatsalya Ras of Krishna. Hey Brajvasis,
आप लोगों के निकट मैं निवेदन करता हूँ, राधा कृष्ण की
I'm saying
लीला माधुर्य के जो है आप लोग ही केवल दर्शन करा सकते हैं।
you are the only ones who can have darshan of the Leelas of Radha and Krishna.
अपने अधिकार नहीं है ब्रजवास की तरह चरण चलाने के, किंतु आप निंदा नहीं करें, हो सकते अधिकार की सामान्य दृष्टि से
80%.
में जन्म
Taken birth. You've taken birth in Vraj. You're doing are doing bhajan in Braj. That is very fortunate. That is the topmost. Like you are extremely fortunate to take birth in Braj and do bhajan and have one-pointed nistha. Then who can glorify them? This is what Acharya Pada is saying. The Mahima, the glorification of Braj and the Brajvasis. Raghunath Das Goswami is saying in Manasiksha. In Braj, to take birth in Braj, or one who is doing the sadhan bhajan in Braj, we should have shraddha and priti towards them. This is what Raghunath Das Goswami has mentioned in Manasiksha. It's not simple, it's not ordinary, it's not. Brajvasis are very, very simple. In their there's no hankar, there's no ego in their heart. They live with such a humble mood. So sometimes, some people see that humility, humbleness in somebody, they take faido, that means they take advantage of them. So Raghunath Das Goswami has mentioned that.
तो ब्रजवासी जन की प्रति एक
प्रति
जे नंद जसोदादी
the Brajvasis are saying, yesterday I said,
देखो कन्हैया,
hey, look Kanhaiya,
हम लोग कहाँ चले गए?
where did we go?
गंगा स्नान करने।
Ganga Snan. We went to have
स्नान
Ganga Snan.
मिले
Bengal.
गंगा स्नान करें।
So we had Ganga Snan.
सब तीर्थ बार
Some
गंगा सागर एक
bar.
गंगा सागर करते हैं। कन्हैया बोले मेरे ब्रजवासी लोग
Kanhaiya said, my Brajvasis, they are my Swarup Shakti, but they don't understand what their Mahima is like. They are my Sakshat manifestation from me, Their expansion, the Brajvasis, the Parikas are expansion of Krishna. But they don't avatar. Vamandev avatar. Then we washed the feet of Vamandev. That Parikar, my Parikar wants to have snan in the water that is washed, Vaman Maharaj, Vaman Bhagwan, sorry. Nanda and Jashu, even the Navadip, in Navadip Dham, Ganga Devi doesn't want to leave Navadip Dham. So what is Ganga Devi Dham? So that's why she keeps on wandering around, like flowing around the islands of the Navadip. So like that, she's created an island. Our Bhakti Vinod Thakur, that when Ganga Devi came to Navadip Dham, she didn't want to leave Navadip Dham. Navadip Dham is no different than Vrindavan. So Navadip is called hidden Vrindavan, Gupta Vrindavan. Then Krishna in Kali Yuga came as a Gauranga roop. He appeared as a Gauranga root. So Gangaji was thinking, no, I will not leave Navadip Dham. I want to touch the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and I will remain here until he comes, and until Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appears in Navadip. And so that's why Ganga Devi keeps on flowing around. Like she's just flowing around. nine. So then that way that 9 islands were created.
और वास्तवता में वे पर सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि
Then Sachidananda Gaura Hari, Krishna himself, and he came in the Radha's mood, in the Radha's complexion, and that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he went and he did snan in Yamuna, and he did some leelas in water. So like how Krishna had leelas with the gopis in Vrindavan, so similarly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also had in Navadip. There is Radha and Krishna. See, Milan. So Sachidananda Gaura Hari, when he has snan in Ganga, river Ganga. So, like, if you go to Haridwar to have a snan in river Ganga, then you can have, if you get 10,000 times more benefit than you have snan in Navadip Dham. So Navadip, to have a snan in Navadip Dham, you get 100 times more benefit than you have if you have a snan in Gangotri or Kedarnath, Haridwar. Even if you go to have Allahabad and have snan. So they don't know what is the, people don't know what is the mahatma of having snan, the glorification of Ganga in Navadip. Only Ganga Devi knows about Navadip. Nobody else knows that. That's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying, even the great devatas like Brahmas and Shivas, Lord Shiva, they are Gopant Tattva. They are very secret. The Gangotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath. So you come down to Haridwar and they have bath. Let's say even they go to Allahabad and have a snan there. They have a Trivedi where the three rivers meet, Yama, Jamuna, Ganga, Saraswati, and they have a snan there, bath there. But so if you say where the Ganga snan, they had where the Gangas meet with the other rivers, they had snan. But what is the most superior? The superior is to have snan in Navadip Dham. These many ghats, bank of Ganga. But if you have a Nadia Ghat, Nadia Ghat, by the bank of Nadia Ghat, if you have a snan there, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, slowly, he is also taught us that which is the topmost place to have a snan, bath. Like I said yesterday, that Vrajvasis are so simple-hearted. They will ask Kanaya, where should we take our bath? And Krishna was saying, Krishna is thinking that the Brajvasis are my Sakshat Swarup. And why do they go all the way so far away to have snan in Ganga? So if you go, if you walk through the jungle, robbers and thieves are there. And there's so much animals, these bhagas, wild animals are there. There's also the ghost. Our Raghunath Das Goswami, he used to stay here. He walked from Bengal. He walked from Bengal. I don't know how. It probably took 3 months to get here. And he used to tell us the stories like when he walked all the way from Bengal to here, that so many ghosts all followed him.
आजकल तो सुलभ व्यवस्था भी हो गया।
Now though there is obviously now there is so many facilities.
2 घंटे में
In 2 hours you can fly,
ट्रेन में
or you can go by train.
अपने कार लेकर के पहुंच जाओ।
You can go there by car.
सब प्रकार की जो है व्यवस्था, किंतु उस समय
Now there is a lot of
इसलिए कृष्ण
ways,
विचार करते थे
lot of transport you have to go to Navadip.
अवतार वामनदेव, उसकी चरण जड़ी तो गंगा है।
The jal is
और उस
Vaman
समय
Maharaj.
ब्रजवासी लोग स्नान करते
The snan. Okay, Ganga is what? Ganga is the water that washed Vaman Bhagwan.
हैं। ब्रजवासी
And the
जन
Brajvasis,
खाली
they
यहीं
want to
पर
have a
सब कुछ
snan
है।
of that. They want to have a bath of that Ganga.
ब्रज में ही यहीं पर गंगा है, गंगा में संकुलता है। बोले देखो,
But also
कन्हैया ने
Brajvas,
कहती बस
also Ganga is in Braj.
उनके मानस पर से
So with his mind, he invited Ganga Devi in Vrindavan.
मानसी गंगा है।
That's why it's called Manasi Ganga.
और साक्षात कृष्ण दिखा, देखो
And then
ये
Krishna
गंगा
said,
देवी कैसे आ रही है, जैसे
see, look at the Ganga Devi, how she's
मगर बच्चे के
coming.
ऊपर बैठती, उसी प्रकार कृष्ण भी जोग माया के द्वारा
Also like that,
पहला
Krishna.
सारी ब्रजवासी दिख रहा है, कन्हैया कुछ मंत्र तंत्र जानते,
So he said, Kanaya, you know the Tantra
तेरे
mantra.
मंत्र में
In your
कुछ
mantra,
शक्ति है।
there is some Shakti in your Tantra mantra.
गंगा पिंड पर प्रकट कर दिया।
And you manifested Ganga here.
सारे ब्रजवासी लोग
All the Brajvasis.
होकर के वहीं पर स्नान भी
And they had snan there.
करते। यहाँ तक भी नंद जसोदा ब्रजवासी लोग
Even here, the
अपने
Nanda
चार धाम
and
जाते
Jashoda
थे।
said,
ये लोग चार धाम नहीं गए,
the
उनकी
four
जीवन
dham.
व्यर्थ था।
If you don't go to, if you don't do the pilgrimage for the four dham, what are the four dham?
चार धाम किया आपने? अरे मतलब बच्चों में नहीं गए, कंपल्सरी जब
Kartik, we did that. We went there. Yes. During Kartik, we went there. Yes.
नाम को वन में,
Kamyavan.
हैं?
Yes, we did. Gangotri, Yamuna,
सब भ्रमण कराया, और क्या देव
Kedarnath,
देव
Badrinath,
सरोवर, देवप्रयाग,
Dev
हरिद्वार।
Sarovar, Haridwar.
Actually ये मूल है, origin है। उनकी प्रकाश
Actually, that is the original. Badrinath, that's all in Vrindavan. People don't know that.
इसलिए कहते हैं ना, घर के दाल,
घर की मुर्गी दाल बना
हाँ,
घर की मुर्गी,
दाल।
घर की
अपने घर में
मुर्गी.
ब्रज में जो गंगा,
If you have got Ganga in your own house, like in Vrindavan, then why go all the way so far?
हाँ, थोड़ा पैर में थोड़ा होता है ना, पैर में थोड़ा कुचली होता है, बोले घेर पर बैठ के
Kuchli, like you know what Gurudev is saying is, Maharaj is saying like you're kuchli, like or you know, kuchli is like you can't sit in one place, you want to go somewhere else and you want to spend
और
money there.
बंगाल में जाएंगे गंगा स्नान करने के लिए कितने 3,000 5,000 10,000
They will spend.
ब्रज के 10-12 आदमी गए थे 2013 में।
हाँ
7 आदमी
गायब हो गया, मर गए।
Mar gaya. So he's saying in 2013, some devotees went to, Kedarnath and Badrinath.
मने करी कि मत जा,
And when they came back, and they said, don't
नहीं
go.
माने, वहाँ चले
But they didn't listen, so they went. And then यहाँ समाधि हो गई. Means 4 or 5 devotees, he said, they left the body there.
हाँ जाना है जाओ, मंत्री।
No, I'm not. I am saying, okay, you should go to pilgrimage from him. You should go to, everybody should go to Navadip.
आपको प्रीति है, उससे सगुना प्रीति किसमें होना चाहिए?
Navadip. So you should go, but you should go to Navadip.
नवदीप धाम जो है,
Navadip Dham is,
और बाकी जो गंगोत्री, यमुनोत्री और केदारनाथ,
Gangotri,
वहाँ पर
Kedarnath.
इतने पहाड़ और कहाँ चलना होता है, इधर पर थोड़ी सी
You go to, so you have to climb, you have to climb the mountains and hills and to get there.
है, चलते ऊपर चल क्या? है, साइकिल चल। और उधर कितने खतरनाक है?
It's very dangerous there,
है?
up north,
है कि नहीं? हाँ।
Thank you. इसलिए कृष्ण ने क्या किया, अपने Battery,
जो माया के द्वारा ब्रज में सब कुछ प्रकाश
So like that, Krishna manifested everything in Braj. I need to buy this.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी कहते हैं जो वृंदावन की महिमा और वृंदावन वास की महिमा कौन जानता है?
Who understands it? Yeah. No. No.
जिस कथा हम लोग काल में श्रवण कर रहे थे,
We were
सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म, सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम जद ब्रह्म यदि सनातनम यदेव संते मोनयो गुणपाले समाहिता। सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद कहते हैं महाराज,
Sukadev Goswami Prabhupada is saying to Parikshit Maharaj,
वह सत्य स्वरूप भगवान
that Swarup of Bhagwan,
और अनंत स्वरूप
Ananta
न
Swarup.
कोई अनंत, जिसे
There's no,
अंत नहीं है, सीमा नहीं।
it's endless. There's no end to it.
भगवान के असीम अनंत कहा है।
It's
उनकी लीला भी अनंत,
something
हम
that's not
अनंत
endless,
लीला है,
is
देवाय
that? The God is
Endless, finite. It's not endless.
कृष्ण की लीला भी
finite,
अनंत है।
finite.
कृष्ण के नाम अनंत होने की क्या है? किसने कहा? उनकी लीला की
There's no end to his Leela. His
और
Leelas are
अनंत लीला
eternal.
की कहानी की पर हमने सनातन गोस्वामी मिलते हैं रास हो गया।
Yeah.
सब लीला की तो अंत है।
There's
जितना एक एक लीला के वर्णन
there's
करें,
always Leela. All the Leela.
अंत मिल जाए।
If you recite all the Leelas of Krishna, somehow or the other you will find some end. Like good cow herding Leela.
जितने भी लीला हम वर्णन करें,
Whatever Leelas we read about,
ये तो देखो
but
सर्वश्रेष्ठ लीला क्या है?
which is the topmost Leela? Ras Leela. So the most superior Leela is the Ras Leela.
क्यों?
Why?
ना स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण गोपियों के
Because
साथ कितने दिन तक
How many days did he do Ras with the gopis? How many days did Krishna do the Ras with gopis? One night of Lord Brahma. So you don't know how many Brahma's nights gopis performed Ras Leela with Krishna. Anant, not only one night of Lord Brahma, there are many, Anantam, many nights. Many nights of Lord Brahma, Krishna performed Ras Leela with gopis.
अरे जिसकी देख करके कृष्ण कृष्ण और राधादी गोपियों की प्रेम जहाज को देख करके चंद्र क्या हो गए?
What happened to the Chandra? The Chandra, when the Chandra witnessed this Ras dance,
चंद्र के गति क्या हो गए?
what happened to the Chandra? Chandra stayed. Chandra couldn't move. It became stationary. It became still.
सरोवर का चंद्र
That's why it's called Chandra Sarovar.
तो चंद्र के मूवमेंट यदि नहीं हो
The Chandra doesn't move.
तो नदी में चलते जा रहे हैं। इसमें कहा जाता है तापमत उसी प्रकार नदी छतम कब समाप्त नहीं होते। ब्रह्मा के एक रात्रि यानी कितने
One night of Brahma,
हजारों युग हो जाता है। 1000 युग होने पर
1,000 yugs. So one night of Lord Brahma is 1,000 yugs. So that yug includes Satra, Tetra, Dwapar, Kali Yug. So that's 4 yugs.
क्या कहा जाता है?
One month, एक दिन, one day.
1000 चतुर्युग सत्य त्रेता द्वापर कली
Yeah.
उसी प्रकार एक दिन एक रात। तो यहाँ पर कहे टीकाकार करते जाके
टीकाकारी से Sukadeva Goswami
अनेक ब्रह्मरत्न
there's many nights of Lord Brahma that Krishna performed the Ras Leela with gopis.
इसलिए अनंत लीला के साथ जो अनंत कृष्ण के जो नाम जो अनंत हुआ
Ananta. Ananta means
अनंत कृष्ण तात्पर्य यही है यही रास लीला के साथ
innumerable Ananta.
तो यहाँ पर भी सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम जद ब्रह्म जति सनातनम जति पश्यन्ति मुनयो गुणो पाये समाहितः वो अपराजित नित्य धाम ब्रह्म धाम वो चिन्मय अपरिच्छन सत्य स्वरूप नित्य प्रकाशमान निर्गुण मुनिगण उस उसके प्राप्त करते हैं। कैसे प्राप्त करते हैं? अपने समाधि दशा
How?
है? अपने समाधि दशा में
In the Samadhi, these munis and the rishis, they have darshans. When they are in Samadhi, they have darshans. They have darshan. The munis and the rishis, the great rishis and munis have darshan
धाम इतने सुंदर
of the Dham. It's called apratik, means a spiritual.
त्रिगुण प्रकृति से वो परे है, परे निर्गुण साक्षात पुरुष और प्रकृति परह। भगवत जो धाम है,
This Bhagavad Dham,
प्रकृति के अतीत कहा जाता है।
they are
इस संसार में सप्तगुण
in sattva, in this material world we have satgun, mode of ignorance, mode of patience, and mode of goodness. That's why our mind is like kind of stipulated, because the Maya, the Maya's responsibility is to stimulate the mind into growth, dash, irsha, jealousy, anger, and but in spiritual world, this is not there. There's no anger, there's lila. Then you can say, oh, then how come the lilas? Then how does the